Alright, so this is how you can create a palette yourself in Photoshop to make color your models in Blender. So you gotta make a custom sized file and make sure that this is on pixels, and you can set these to small amount. I'm going with 8x8, and so you'll see it'll be super small here. So what you can do is you click on this magnifying glass and then click on it and fit to screen. So now it's big, and then you got to click over here to the brush tool and make sure it's on pencil tool. And then it's as simple as just going through and picking what colors you want. Go with the pink there. Get a purple, blue, lighter blue. And so you can just go through and pick any of the colors that you want for this. And you don't have to put it in any particular order. You can if you want to, though. You can do just gradients like this, or you can just do random colors. And you can pick any colors that you want. And then once you're done with that, once you're done making it, you can go File and Export as. And then you're gonna want to make it a JPEG. And then click Export. You want to put it wherever you want. Make sure that it's somewhere you can find it again. And then there you go. That's how you can make your own palettes to color your models in Blender.